Welcome to the QuizBay. In this video today we will play Would You Rather Hardest Choices Edition. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Alright, let's go! Would you rather live without your phone forever or live without your favorite food forever? Tough one, right? Here's a fun one. Would you rather be invisible for a day or be able to fly for a day? Imagine the possibilities. Now, would you rather eat ice cream in a snowstorm or eat hot soup on a scorching day? Which one's your pick? Would you rather have a pet dragon or a pet unicorn? Let's hear your magical choice. Always whisper or always shout? What would you rather do? Spicy or bland? Would you rather only eat spicy food or only eat bland food forever? Here's a tricky one. Would you rather be famous but poor or be rich but unknown? Which one suits you? Would you rather lose your ability to speak or lose your ability to hear? Think carefully. Would you rather walk barefoot in the snow or walk barefoot on hot sand? Which one's less painful? Would you rather live in a house made of glass or live in a house made of wood? Pick your dream home! Would you rather have no friends or have no family? Let us know your choice in the comments. Would you rather be a superhero or be a villain? A hero or anti-hero? Would you rather always smell bad or always look bad? What's the lesser evil? Would you rather never watch TV again or never listen to music again? Tough call, huh? Would you rather be trapped in an elevator for 24 hours or on a broken down train for 24 hours? Share your pick. A life hack question. Would you rather have a rewind button or a pause button for your life? Choose wisely. Would you rather always be late or always be early? Which one's your vibe? Would you rather only wear winter clothes in summer or only wear summer clothes in winter? Let us know. Would you rather never eat chocolate again or never eat chips again? Which one could you live without? Game on. Would you rather be stuck in a video game or be stuck in a movie? Comment your favorite. Would you rather have 10 siblings or have no siblings? Share your pick in the comments. Would you rather win a Nobel Prize or win an Olympic gold medal? Tell us what you prefer. Would you rather have no internet for a year or have no electricity for a year? Let's see your answers. Would you rather be able to read minds or be able to predict the future? Let us know your superpower. Would you rather have a third arm or have a third leg? Think practically and comment below. Would you rather only drink water for the rest of your life or only eat bread for the rest of your life? Tough one. Would you rather be 10 feet tall or be 2 feet tall? Which height works for you? Would you rather have no sense of smell or have no sense of taste? Let us know your choice. Would you rather live on a deserted island or live in a crowded city? Tell us your dream destination. Would you rather have a job you love but earn little money or have a job you hate but earn a lot of money? Choose wisely. Would you rather have wings instead of arms or have fins instead of legs? Pick your transformation. Would you rather only eat breakfast foods for dinner or only eat dinner foods for breakfast? Let us know. Would you rather never sleep again or always be tired? What's your preference? Would you rather be allergic to the sun or be allergic to water? Tell us your tough choice. Would you rather speak every language in the world or play every musical instrument perfectly? Comment below. Would you rather be an astronaut or be a deep sea diver? Space or sea? Would you rather only drink coffee or only drink tea? Which one's your fuel? Would you rather always hop everywhere or always crawl everywhere? Pick your quirky mode of travel. Would you rather be a famous actor or be a famous athlete? Hollywood or sports? Would you rather always wear shoes that are too small or always wear clothes that are too big? What's your choice? Would you rather be friends with an alien or be friends with a ghost? Let us know your spooky pick. Would you rather only eat food that's green or only eat food that's red? Choose your color wisely. Would you rather be the funniest person alive or be the smartest person alive? Comment your dream title. Would you rather never read a book again or never watch a movie again? Which one's harder to give up? Would you rather only be able to whisper or only be able to shout? What's your preferred volume? Would you rather have a private jet or have a private yacht? Luxury in the air or on the sea? Would you rather be a millionaire in the 1800s or be middle class in 2024? Pick your timeline. Would you rather forget who you are every morning or forget who everyone else is every morning? Choose carefully. Would you rather always have to eat with chopsticks or always have to eat with your hands? Let us know. Would you rather be able to live underwater or be able to live in outer space? Share your dream world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Click on one of these videos to keep watching.